Thank you for joining me today for WTLC's Tell Me More About Video Library series. This is a series of short videos providing a brief introduction to common legal topics encountered by people who frequently seek assistance from WTLC. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. If you'd like additional information, we recommend calling WTLC's 24-hour bilingual helpline at 877-531-5522. to get connected with a legal advocate who can help provide more information regarding how you can best represent yourself throughout your legal process. If you need legal advice, representation, or other assistance, a legal advocate can help you locate organizations with licensed attorneys who may be able to assist you further. Feel free to stop the video at any time to write down the information presented here today, including valuable online resources. You will hear the term safety planning continuously with WTLC. If you haven't heard of it or forgot what exactly safety planning is, it's a plan that is set and created to ensure and maintain your safety in the event when your overall safety comes into question. One way to ensure your safety is the Safe at Home program, which is a confidential address program administered by the California Secretary of State's office and is most effective when used as a part of an overall safety plan. Safe at Home offers victims of domestic violence, stalking, sexual assault, human trafficking, elder and dependent adult abuse, a substitute mailing address to receive first-class certified and registered mail. This is a service we offer here at WTLC in our legal department. Feel free to call our toll-free number at 877-531-5522 if you have any questions about our services. The type of mail that can be sent to Safe at Home is all first-class registered and certified mail addressed to Safe at Home participants. Designated mailing address will be forwarded to the mailing address at no cost to the participant. Safe at Home will not forward packages, periodicals, catalogs, prescriptions, liquids, or fragile items. For the length of time upon acceptance into Safe at Home, participants are certified for 4 years. After the 4-year period, they may renew their certification. The Safe at Home program will send a renewal application to participants towards the end of the 4th year term. Safe at Home also does a confidential name change option. It is good to note also for Safe at Home, if you are applying and you have children, the other parent must be notified of the application unless there is a court order limiting contact between them and the kids. They will be notified by the Secretary of State that the children are being placed under a confidential address, and a secure PO box will be the only address they will have, not your current residency. Please contact WTLC's 24-hour bilingual helpline to get connected with a legal advocate at WTLC in the legal department to help you and assist you with completing the Safe at Home application and referring you to Safe at Home. For your employment rights, employees have the right to obtain and attempt to attain any relief, including but not limited to a temporary restraining order, or other injunctive relief to help ensure the health and safety or welfare of the victim of his or their child. Employers are required to allow an employee a job protective leave of absence for any of the following purposes: to seek medical attention for injuries caused by domestic violence, sexual assault, or stalking, to obtain services from domestic violence shelter program or rape crisis center as well as a result of domestic violence, sexual assault, or stalking, to obtain psychological counseling related to an experience of domestic violence, sexual assault, or stalking, to participate in safety planning and take the other actions to increase safety from future domestic violence, sexual assault, or stalking, including temporary and permanent relocation. At WTLC, a legal advocate can write a letter to your employer verifying your request for job protected time off from work. This letter is meant to provide information to your employer. It is not representing you as an attorney. If you think your employer is still not respecting your rights, a legal advocate may be able to help you connect with an attorney for more info and advice. In talking about the letter, some examples in which this may come up or may not be willing to, you can also talk to a legal advocate or attorney about going to court and obtaining a restraining order. For general safety planning, your safety plan may look a little like this, but it is also good to note that safety plans are not a one-size-fits-all. Everyone's safety plan will be different based on their unique circumstances. Some things that can be added to a safety plan or in a safety plan are to ensure all your documents are in a secure location where you have access to them and can be taken with you at all times, such as your ID card, insurance information, credit card, debit card with your name on it, a social security cards, birth certificates, license, registration, medical records, passports, etc. You can also pack a bag with clothing, toiletries for you and your kids. Make sure your car has gas in it at all times and you know exactly where your car keys are. Turning off your location on your phones and other mobile devices or changing your phone number. Have a list of safe places you can go to or safe people you can call for support. Money, medications, medical records, police. You can call the police or call a domestic violence helpline, as well as have any restraining orders, protective orders, or police reports on you as well. These are, like I said before, these are just some of the ways in which you can stay safe. Thank you again for joining us for this episode of WTLC's Tell Me More About Video Library Series. Feel free to contact our 24-hour bilingual helpline at 877-531-5522 to get connected with a legal advocate. Thank you.